Ayan guys, nag-hike. Punta kaming hiking. Nag-hiking kami today. Ayan. Hiking group. Ayan yung... So, we have a group to doing the hiking. Hi!
The one with the cook with, we call the Philippine sinigang.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Yeah. It's a bit difficult to different like that. The only thing is the difference is you look at the skin.
Yes.
Because it's not always the skin and the fat.
Yeah, and we open up after the color will be, and then you know.
You will know.
But sometimes